Okay, so we have got some pencils. So if we counted them, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 pencils. Okay, we can use a number line because we're putting into groups of 5, we're just taking 5 away. If we want to put them in another group of 5, take another 5. Take away another 5. We haven't got any pencils left. Looking at these jumps, we have done 1, 2, 3 jumps, and that's how many groups we've got. 1, 2, 3. 5, take away 5, take away 5, take away 5 equals 0. So that means because we've got to 0, it means we're equal. 5 into groups of 5. That's one group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5. We've got 3 groups. 15 divided into 5 is equal to 3. Looking at the dice, 2, 4, 6, 8, so we're starting at 8. We can take away or add 2. That's one group. Add 2 is 2 groups. Add 2, 3 groups. Add 2 is 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 equals 8. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4 because we've got one group of 2, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2. 8 is made of 4 equal groups of 2. Have a go at questions 4 and 5 on the worksheet now.